Hello and welcome to the Pack Publishing course, TypeScript 3.0 and Angular 7. My name is Shazib Kamal and I'm a full-stack web developer and instructor with an experience of 10 years working with a wide range of technologies, mainly PHP and JavaScript or TypeScript. I'm an author on Udemy with around 13 published courses and 170,000 students on board. I instructed web development in Preston University, Karachi. The course overview. In this course, we will learn 6 sections. In the very first section, we will learn getting started with TypeScript and Angular. Here, we will talk about how we can set up and install the Angular and TypeScript both. In a second section, we will dive into TypeScript, means we will apply TypeScript in programming, and we will learn some basics of the TypeScript. In a third section, we will dive into Angular 7. In this section, we will talk about the Angular basics and templating the Angular components, styling, etc. In a section 4, we will learn the user interactivity and dynamic elements. We will talk about the user events, the dynamic components, the user interactions, etc. In a section 5, we will talk about the Angular forms. We will apply Angular on the HTML forms and make them the reactive forms or the template-driven forms, and we'll do the form validations and we'll add dynamic elements to the form. To the section 6, we will talk about the Angular animations. In this section, we will add Angular animations to the project, and we will understand the Angular animation states, reusable animations, and how we can actually deploy the animation to the project. And we will talk about the RxJS library. The library we use to actually subscribe and observe data. We will talk about the possible usage of RxJS library in Angular. Prerequisites. We need to have the basic understanding of HTML and CSS. We have to have the basic understanding of JavaScript, and absolutely the passion to learn new skills is necessary. So let's get started.